What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this mermaid inspired cut crease look. Excuse my lash popping off on that outer corner there. I was doing nothing today, so I just ripped these bad boys off right as I was finished with this. So I'm going to go right into the look. If you'd like to see how I created this, please just keep watching. Alright guys, I have my eyes primed and ready. I'm going to dip into the colors Silk, Cream, and Pooter with a big fluffy brush and blend that all throughout my crease. Then I'm going to be taking a smaller blending brush and mixing the colors Buns and Jacz together and putting that deeper into my crease for more definition. Remember to blend all of those edges out so nothing is too harsh. Then I'm going to be taking the colors Soda Pop and Abyss, mixing those together with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to be putting those on the outer V of my eyelid. Once I'm satisfied with the layout, I am going to go back in and blend all those edges so they are seamless. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat synthetic brush with any type of concealer, and I'm just going to start carving out my crease. For this look, I'm not going to create a full cut crease. I'm only going to go about 1/2 to 2/3 in. So I'm going to leave that outer third blank with no concealer. Once I have everything carved out, I'm going to set it with a matte white powder. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking a flat synthetic brush and dipping into the shade Twerk and laying that right in the center of my lid. Next up, I'm going to be using a smaller synthetic brush and dip into the color Pool Party and put that into my inner quarter and blend that into the middle of the lid. It's going to take some playing around with to get all of the colors to mix in evenly. And then once I have everything where I'd like it to be, I'm going to take that same fluffy eyeshadow brush with the two darker colors mixed and just buff that into the outer V again and try to blend that as nicely as I can into those blue colors. Once I have the color packed on, I'm going to start flicking it outward to create a winged type look and then blend out all of the harsh edges. Next, I'm just going to add a little bit of liner, curl my lashes, add some mascara. And next I'm going to be taking these very dramatic eyelashes and just popping those babies on. For my lower lash line, I am just following the same exact color pattern. So the Pool Party shade in the inner corner, the middle of the lid is going to be Twerk, and the outer lid, I believe I just took the color Soda Pop only and just blended that out. One of the final steps is using the NYX Roll-On Shimmer color in Platinum, and I'm just popping that in the inner corner, and then I'm taking the color Enlight and popping that in my brow bone. I just do some final blending, and that is the completed look, everyone. I love how this turned out. I think it is super beautiful, and I hope you guys loved this as much as I did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everyone.